the moment. Haven't you heard the gun?
We'll commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party and we'll fly if we want to.
Start to the ranks!
Little joke, sir.
Maybe I could be of assistance. I'll go down to the chute and let you know when they're packing up for the day.
Very well then, and no funny business. I know several ways to skin y'all tight.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
We're off on a wild goose chase.
You may think it odd that a squad such as ours can perform this role.
We're off and we'll prove that's not the case.
Avoiding the ack-ack, we'll search for the squack-quack and then return to base. Company present paper! Company present code! We are about to face our most perilous mission to date. I need hardly tell you the risks involved, or the ultimate price that we may have to pay. As we fly into glory, I want to tell you how proud of this squadron I am. Keep a stiff upper beak, men, and remember our motto, Semper Victorium, Semper de foie gras.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot. I'm your senior flight attendant. And on behalf of Captain Greyleg, I'd like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from boggy marshlands so far. We'll be cruising at an altitude of several feet and flying a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask you to observe the safety procedures that we've been through so many times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Goose Air, the fluffy skies.
We're off to ensure this duckling is not so glum. We won't be back until we found your...
The coast is clear. They're putting away their guns.
Are you sure?
On one of my lives.
Good. All right, men. Final check. Oh, and here's the parachute for you.
For me?
You don't think I'm going to leave you here with the duckling, do you? Oh, no, puss. You're coming with us.
Oh, cat litter.
Our wings are spread,
So don't delay.
our excess bags are stowed away. It's time to fly.
They're off to try and find the farm, and when they found the farm, they'll find my mom, and we will be together.